how to lock TikTok app on your iPhone devices. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, you don't need external applications in order to do this method. First things first, you want to open up your system settings right here, and once inside, you want to navigate through General. Now inside General, click on Software Update, and you can just go ahead and make sure that your iPhone device is above iOS 18. In my case, iOS 18 is not yet available on my region, so you have to go ahead and look for whether you have the newest iOS version. Right after that, all you have to do is to go ahead and find TikTok on your home screen right here, and once inside, you want to hold click on TikTok. And from here, if you're using the iOS 18, you will be able to see an option called Hide App. You can just go ahead and click on that button and you should be good to go. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.